Alright, here we go. Doing the 2xFLOUR test, which we did a little change up on it after doing the 45-70s and having the bullets bounce. We wanted to try to actually catch the bullet, see what it's doing, take a look at it. And it's now it's just two 3/4 inch boards, so technically it still is 2xFLOUR. Just a little different dynamics to the test. So here we go. We're going to do it with the MONARCH 243 100 grain soft points at about 50 yards. So y'all stay tuned and check it out. Alright, here we go. Doing the 2xFLOUR again with the change up. Just putting in the two roughly 3/4 inch boards, so it's still technically 2xFLOUR. Tiny hole in. Here's what we got coming out. Lots of lead left in there, as you can see. Alright, here we go. This is 2xFLOUR. And we got the bullet right here, 243. Pretty much all the lead blasted out of it. And this is what is not it. Be gone. But that's 243. This is interesting. That is the exit of the boards that we printed. So it's going through the flour as it expands. There's the hole. There's a nice hole going through that flour. This is people that sometimes think, well, at 243, that is a small bullet. This is why it has been one of the most popular rounds of ammunition to hunt with. You might think, well, that ain't gonna do no damage. I'm sorry. That's doing some damage. There's an outstanding bullet. There's the exit. There we go with the inside look. Pretty much, I'm assuming it just split the board open. That's why it just basically, and that's what's left. I'm not, well, if you want to go at the widest point, 4.9, thereabout. Narrow point, 3. So that's pretty good for the 2xFLOUR on the 243 Monarchs. Not too bad at all. Like I said, that is definitely, that right there is why that bullet is so popular to hunt with.